mercy, Lord, I fall before your throne. Broken soul, I cannot stand alone. Every sin like shadows on my heart, tearing all my fragile faith apart. I have wandered far from where you are, carried by my pride and hidden scars. Yet your voice still calls me from the night, leading lost hearts back into the light. Wash me in your mercy, cleanse me in your grace. Forgive me, Lord, I cry to you tonight. Wash me in the river of your light. Create in me a pure and faithful heart. Lord, renew my soul, make me restart. Do not take your spirit from my soul. You alone can make the broken whole. Forgive me, Lord, hear my desperate plea. Create a clean heart inside of me. Every secret sin you already see. Nothing in this world is hidden from thee. Still your love is deeper than my shame. Still your grace forever stays the same. Let the bones you crush begin to sing. Let the joy of your salvation ring. From the ashes of my fallen ways, raise a heart that lives to give you praise. From the depths of sorrow I return. Every lesson sin has made me learn. Your compassion waits with open hands. Grace beyond what any heart understands. Let my tongue proclaim your righteousness. Let my life reflect your holiness. Those who wander lost in guilt and fear, through my story find your mercy near. Purify my spirit, make my darkness flee. Forgive me, Lord, I cry to you tonight. Wash me in the river of your light. Create in me a pure and faithful heart. Lord, renew my soul, make me restart. Do not take your spirit from my soul. You alone can make the broken whole. Forgive me, Lord, hear my desperate plea. Create a clean heart inside of me. A broken heart you will not despise. You see every tear that falls from my eyes. My sad